What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Man, I am feeling great about crypto as of lately. As the stock market has its ebbs and flows, we get CPI data, we get other things that come in, and then we get FOMC meeting minutes and tank the markets. Crypto has been standing still, standing 10 toes down, and remaining stable through all of this movement. As a matter of fact, there's an article that we're about to go through that's showing us that more people are actually much more interested in crypto than we even think. So, Justin, take us away. You guys do what you do in the comments down below.
Yeah, so crypto ownership in the US has surged in 2022, even though FTX collapsed. So, a new study finds that nearly one third of US residents hold Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and 45% of crypto asset investors prefer going to financial institutions and credit unions that support Bitcoin and altcoins. While the major regulatory watchdogs in the US, including Gary Gensler of the SEC and others, have increased their oversight in the Web3 space since the collapse of SBF's FTX, Americans' interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies remain high. According to a new study conducted by PYMNTS, because I don't know if that's a word they're trying to make, maybe payments, I don't know, whatever, in collaboration with PSCU, the largest credit union service organization in the United States. One third of consumers in the country own crypto, and they consider it when making financial decisions, which is pretty dope. On the other hand, consumers who do not hold crypto cite a lack of knowledge about its working as their limiting factor. So that's also bullish because they're not worried about crypto being a scam, which most people, that's what you hear, right? In the media, it's all people think it's a scam, but that's not the real reason. The study, which polled 4,282 US consumers and 100 credit union execs, finds that 45% of cryptocurrency holders, mostly high income earners and young consumers, which makes sense, prefer to patronize innovative financial institutions that offer crypto related products and services. Despite the high interest in crypto from consumers, 56% of credit union execs remain reluctant to integrate it into their operations. Notably, the study finds that 66% of credit unions are crypto adverse due to the more than 70% crash in the price of BTC and other cryptos in 2022 and the overall volatile nature of the digital asset. 43% of credit unions say that they expect demand for crypto to fade, which I feel like this is all misguided. Crypto has made a huge recovery in 2023, and I don't think the demand for crypto is going to fade anytime soon. However, despite the negative expectations of credit unions, the researchers found that member interest in crypto increased in 2022 amid the turmoil of and FUD triggered by FTX and other high-profile bankruptcies in the Web3 space. Many consumers in the survey's population have expressed their willingness to dump non-crypto supporting financial institutions for those that do to gain access to more innovative products. So it seems like Americans are kind of pushing more towards financial institutions that actually accept crypto, which is really, really bullish for crypto and not something that I necessarily saw coming, but it's really good. So Hobbs, what do you think?
I think this is very, very important for the growth of crypto. I pulled up an article yesterday while I was in the shop that basically shows that Ethereum, specifically one of the top two most important cryptos or top two cryptos in our space, in regards to their non-zero addresses, meaning people who hold more than zero Ethereum, has actually hit an all-time high back in March of 95.1 million. And then you go and look over here, and furthermore, the amount of ETH supply that has not been moved for 7 to 10 years also reached a new all-time high, which is 3.64 million. What I'm trying to say by saying this is that the adoption of crypto is not only increasing, but the amount of people that have confidence in crypto is actually increasing, because that is a telltale sign when you see more and more people holding their crypto for longer. I think that overall, this story nails it. It tells us that not only are retail investors, but institutional investors are starting to invest and trust crypto overall in general. I think that this is very bullish for the movement of crypto, and I would love to hear you guys' thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Come back and see myself and Justin over here at the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. But my name is T. Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.